Hola, language learners, and welcome to Spanish Forward, the place where you will move forward in Spanish. Today, I will teach you the fastest way to learn the Spanish letter sounds in just 3 easy steps. Make sure to stay till the end so you can take a quick quiz and see how well you did. Also, if you find this video helpful and want to learn more, please like and subscribe. Let's get started. Here's step 1. First, you want to learn the vowel sounds because knowing the vowels will help you with all the other words. One easy trick is to put the letter M in front of each vowel. So say it with me. Repeat after me. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Again. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Let's keep practicing. Ma, a, me, e, mi, I, mo, o, mu, u. And in Spanish, each vowel has only one sound. So once you learn these sounds, then you know the vowel sounds. Great job. Try again. A, E, I, O, U. Great job. So now, say the sound. I will say it in English, and then you tell me the Spanish sound. Letter A. Very good. A. Letter E. Spanish sound. E. Letter I. Spanish sound. E. Letter O. O. Letter U. U. Very good. Let's say them again. Last time. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Let's keep going to step 2. Learn only the consonants that have a completely different sound in Spanish. So there are some consonants that sound different in Spanish than they do in English. And once you've learned those, then you will know most of the sounds already. So the letters are H, J, double L, N with a tilde, Q, double R, and Z. So let's learn the sounds for those letters now. Here we go. The first letter is H. The letter H in Spanish has no sound, as in the word hola, hola. The H is silent. Say the word. Great job. Let's go on to the next one. Letter J. Letter J has the H sound, as in happy. Soap, jabón, jabón. Garden, el jardín, jardín. And sometimes letter G has the H sound as well, as in gente. Now practice the words. Jabón, el jardín. You did it. Let's keep going. Next is letter Q. Q has the K sound. Queso. Say the word. Very good. On to the next sound. In Spanish, with the tilde says ña, ña. Montañas, montañas. Say the word. Montañas are mountains. Next, letter Z has the S sound, as in snow. The word is zapatos. Say the word. Shoes are zapatos. Great job. Next letter sound. Double L. Double L says ya, like the letter Y in English. Ya, ya. The rain, la lluvia, la lluvia. Keys, las llaves, las llaves. This is important to know that the double L could be pronounced with the j sound, depending on what country you're in. Now let's find out when to roll the R. So, whenever you have two R's together, you will roll the R sound. For example, in the word carro, carro. Car, carro. Say the word. Great job. Also, roll the R after the letter N, L, or S. For example, Enrique, Enrique. Say the word. Good. You will also roll the R at the beginning of a word. For example, ratón, ratón. Say the word. Very good. Now on to the last step. Step 3 is learn the consonants that are similar to English. For the letters B and V, the B has the English B sound at the beginning of a phrase or a sentence, or when followed by a consonant. For example, the boat, el barco, the wine, el vino. However, the B or V will have a soft V sound when it comes between vowels. For example, the plane, el avión, the clouds, las nubes. Now repeat the words, el barco, el vino, el avión, las nubes. The Spanish sound for the letter C follows the same rules as the letter C in English. Whenever C is followed by the letters E or I, it will have the S sound, as in sand. Let's try some. Toothbrush is cepillo de dientes, because E comes after the C. 100 is 100, because I comes after the C. But whenever it's not followed by E or I, it will have the K sound, as in la casa and la cruz. Let's keep going. The next letter is X. X has the X sound. It also has the H sound. It has the X sound most of the time, as in extra. It has the H sound only for names of certain places or people, as in Mexico. And the last letter sound is G. The G sound in Spanish can have the H sound when it's followed by the letters E or I. So, for example, the word people in Spanish is gente, gente. The G is pronounced with a H sound because E comes after it. And sunflower in Spanish is girasol, girasol, because I comes after the G. But whenever it's not followed by E or I, it will have the G sound, G, as in globos, balloons, globos, or water, agua. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time to practice. Okay, are you ready for the quiz? If not, no worries. Feel free to go back and practice. But if you're ready, let's get started. I will say the number and the picture, and you will tell me the word in Spanish using the rules for pronunciation that you just learned. Ready? Begin. Number 1, house. Say the word in Spanish. Number 2, clouds. Number 3, balloons. Number 4, ham. Number 5, shoes. Number 6, boy. Number 7, car. Number 8, juice. Number 9, rain. And number 10, hotel. And here are the answers. Number 1, casa, casa. Number 2, nubes, nubes. Number 3, globos, globos. Number 4, jamón, jamón. Number 5, zapatos, zapatos. Number 6, niño, niño. Number 7, carro, carro. Number 8, jugo, jugo. Number 9, lluvia, lluvia. And number 10, hotel, hotel. So how did you do? Did you get 100%? If so, please let me know by putting the number 100 in the comments below. Great job today. Please like and subscribe for more. Adelante!